What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? It's your boy Marlon Bennett, and I'm back with another installment of 1,000,000 Ways to Marketing tips for the internet marketer. Hey guys, listen up. I had to do this video, right? I was on my way out the door, but I had to stop. I had to do it. Hopefully, they're doing some construction just outside my house, and hopefully, you guys, the sound is not really distracting you guys too much. But today, guys, what I want to talk about is becoming the go-to guy or gal, right? Or becoming the expert, becoming the go-to guy or gal, becoming the people look to solve problems. Not long ago, I did a video about becoming a problem solver, and this all kind of comes together because listen to this. When I first started internet marketing, I didn't know how to do anything. I could hardly open my emails and read them, right? But I dug in, and you guys like often hear me say I became a student of the game, and I just kept learning and learning and learning. And ultimately, I learned how to do all kinds of things. Today, I can do anything. I really can. I like to say I've done so much with so little for so long. I'm now qualified to do the impossible with nothing. And I want you guys to stick with me here because this is where I'm going really, really quick. Look. If you can do something, right, that another person can't do, and you can show a person something that they don't know how to do, to that person, you might be considered an expert. An expert doesn't have to be a person who's gone to school for years and years and years, or gone to college, or have a doctorate degree in medicine or law, or even in internet marketing. It's just a person that's had a little bit more success, who's got a little bit further down the line in doing a particular thing than you have. Okay, you become a problem solver. To that person, you're the go-to person. You become the expert. And I'll give you a real quick example of that. I never knew how to set up my own capture pages, even if I first got my own my first autoresponder. You can set up capture pages through the autoresponder. I never knew how to do it, and I used to outsource that all the time. But then I got tired of paying $25 a pop, so I dug in and I learned how to create my own capture pages. Incidentally, later on I'm gonna show you guys a real cool way to do that in like 5 minutes. But now I can create a capture page in less than a minute. I can create a capture page right now in less than 1 minute, have it totally set up with a follow-up sequence of almost a year if I want to. A year of follow-ups, set up completely, monetized. I can do all of that in less than 5 minutes. I can build capture pages just like that now. But I didn't know how to do it before. So if I know how to do that and you don't know how to do it, and I can show you step by step how to do it, I can be considered an expert. I should be considered an expert through your eyes because I can do something you don't know how to do. Now, here's the key to that. Learn how to be proud of what it is you know how to do. Be proud of the things you've learned since you've been online. Okay? Be proud of the fact that you know how to go in now and set up your own blog and complete with headers and sidebars and how to set up your own capture pages and sales pages and autoresponders. Be proud of that because what you learn, what you don't know is that somebody else don't know that. And somebody else will be glad to listen to you or even pay you for information that you know. You know what I mean? You don't realize how valuable you are. So learn how to be proud and happy with what it is you know how to do and learn and get in the habit of sharing that information with others. That's what's going to make you the expert. That's what's going to make you the go-to guy or gal. Because when people realize they have a problem and they can't solve it, and they realize that you have information and you could talk them through it or you could show them a solution to their problem, they're going to come to you. Ultimately, that's what makes you perceived as the expert. And it doesn't have to be what you imagine. It doesn't have to be this crazy, crazy stuff. Hey, this whole internet marketing thing, it's a journey. Okay? And if you stay in it long enough, you're going to continue learning more and more and more. And as you learn that, just share that information with others. Do a video just like I'm doing right now. And share that information with others. I'm not big in screen capture and things like that. I'm ultimately working on some things on the side where I'm doing that. But you don't have to get into all the screen capture and things like that. But when you can show somebody how to do a particular thing, you become very valuable for that person. You become an asset to that person, and you become the expert to that person, the go-to guy or gal. When you do that, you just increase your bottom line, okay? And increasing your bottom line doesn't always translate into cash or dollars, but ultimately it can, okay? Sometimes, when I say increasing your bottom line, it's about exposure. It's about getting your name out there and branding yourself, okay? So for all you guys who are serious about internet marketing and becoming a student of the game, as it were, learn, again, how to be proud of what it is you know how to do. Go out here and share that information with others. And I promise you, in no time at all, you'll become that go-to guy or gal. You'll become, eventually, the expert in your particular niche. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Anyway, I gotta run. As always, it's your boy, Marlon O. Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living an internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging.